What separates good teams from great ones? It's not talent or luck, it's mindset. Today, we're giving you powerful motivations to spark teamwork and collaboration in any group. Whether you're leading, following, or simply supporting, these will push your team's potential to new heights. Let's dive in. In every area of life, teamwork is the cornerstone of success. From small wins to grand achievements, nothing truly great is ever accomplished alone. These 20 motivations will not only inspire your team but also help you see why collaboration beats competition every time. Let's explore them together. Unity creates strength. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. By combining efforts, we multiply our impact and overcome even the toughest challenges. United teams can face obstacles with resilience and unwavering focus. The bond created through unity strengthens trust and builds a sense of belonging within the team. Together, united teams learn how to tackle challenges that once seemed insurmountable. Unity also fosters a spirit of mutual respect that amplifies every member's potential. And with unity, even the impossible becomes possible. Shared goals ignite action. When everyone works toward the same vision, progress is inevitable. Alignment makes even the hardest tasks feel achievable. A unified goal keeps every team member moving forward with purpose. Achieving shared goals also fosters a sense of accomplishment that reinforces future collaboration. Shared visions cultivate enthusiasm and a collective sense of pride that fuels future aspirations. They help define the team's identity, creating a culture that thrives on purpose and perseverance. And when everyone sees the big picture, magic happens. Diversity of thought drives innovation. The best ideas come from blending unique perspectives. Different viewpoints create groundbreaking solutions. Embracing differences unleashes creativity and fresh approaches. Diverse teams challenge conventional thinking, paving the way for groundbreaking innovation. Together, diverse teams redefine what's possible, setting new standards for success. They teach the importance of embracing individuality while striving for collective goals. With diversity, teams discover untapped potential and limitless creativity. Trust builds unstoppable teams. Without trust, collaboration crumbles. Build it and watch your team soar. Trust allows teams to take risks and grow. It's the foundation for bold decisions and strong bonds. With trust, conflicts transform into constructive discussions that drive progress. Trust nurtures a safe space where creativity and ideas thrive unconditionally. Teams built on trust can weather challenges with unshakable confidence and unity. Trust becomes the invisible glue that keeps everyone aligned. Empathy fosters understanding. Walking in someone else's shoes builds bridges, not barriers. Empathy connects people on a deeper level, leading to harmony. Understanding others' perspectives fuels compassion and collaboration. Empathy nurtures a supportive culture where everyone feels valued. It creates a ripple effect of positivity that empowers teams to grow collectively. With empathy, teams create an atmosphere of care and encouragement that strengthens bonds. Empathy transforms differences into meaningful connections. Celebrate each other's strengths, acknowledge talents, and let everyone shine in their own way. Recognizing contributions fuels motivation and respect. When strengths are celebrated, everyone feels valued and inspired. Highlighting individual strengths creates a team-wide sense of pride and accomplishment. This acknowledgement energizes the group, fostering deeper commitment and camaraderie. Celebrating strengths also inspires a culture of continuous improvement. It reminds teams that every role is vital for success. Effective communication is key. Clear and open dialogue prevents misunderstandings and fuels progress. Good communication builds clarity and alignment. A team that communicates well avoids conflict and thrives together. Active listening and transparent discussions eliminate unnecessary barriers. Consistent communication cultivates a cohesive rhythm, propelling the team forward. Strong communication creates an environment where ideas flourish effortlessly. With effective communication, barriers dissolve, and understanding thrives. Resilience grows through teamwork. When challenges arise, leaning on each other makes obstacles smaller. Together, teams adapt and thrive under pressure. Collective resilience transforms setbacks into opportunities. Resilient teams inspire confidence, even in uncertain situations. They cultivate a culture where determination and adaptability lead the charge. Resilience in teams creates a foundation of hope and enduring strength. It demonstrates the power of unity in overcoming adversity. Encouragement energizes effort. A simple, "You've got this," can fuel someone's drive to succeed. Positive reinforcement uplifts the entire group. Every word of encouragement creates ripples of confidence. Teams thrive on a culture where motivation and positivity flourish. These moments of encouragement spark lasting inspiration and deeper connections. Encouragement reminds teams of their limitless potential. It serves as a reminder that belief is contagious. Led by example, the best leaders inspire collaboration by modeling it themselves. Actions speak louder than words, And leadership inspires loyalty. Great leaders show, not just tell, how to succeed together. When leaders embody teamwork, the group naturally follows suit. Leadership becomes a beacon that energizes everyone toward a shared vision. By setting the tone, leaders shape the team's culture of excellence. True leaders empower their teams to rise higher. Conflict resolution strengthens bonds. Facing and resolving disagreements head-on fosters deeper respect. Teams grow stronger when differences are managed constructively. Resolving conflict creates mutual understanding and unity. Healthy conflict resolution builds the emotional resilience of the team. It turns disagreements into lessons and bridges for future growth. Resolving conflicts transforms challenges into powerful growth opportunities. Through conflict, teams learn to embrace change and progress. Shared success feels sweeter. Victory is more rewarding when it's shared with a team. Accomplishments become meaningful when celebrated together. Achieving goals together builds lasting memories and pride. Shared victories create a collective sense of identity and purpose. They leave behind a legacy of unity and fulfilled dreams. Celebrating success strengthens the bonds that drive future achievements. Together, teams write stories of triumph and connection. Accountability keeps everyone aligned, hold each other responsible, and the whole team grows. Accountability drives consistency and reliability. Teams thrive when everyone contributes and owns their part. An accountable team develops a strong sense of integrity and trustworthiness. It ensures every team member works with commitment and pride. Accountability fosters reliability that inspires long-term trust. Proves that dependability is the heart of teamwork. Small contributions add up. No role is too small when working toward a larger purpose. Every action counts in achieving collective success. Incremental efforts create extraordinary results over time. Recognizing these contributions cultivates a culture of gratitude. These small acts build a foundation for achieving monumental success. Together, they prove that greatness is built one step at a time. Small steps lead to big milestones. Encourage learning from each other, share knowledge, and watch the entire group evolve. Growth happens when we teach and learn together. Teams that learn together grow stronger together. Knowledge sharing also nurtures curiosity and continuous improvement. Together, they create a powerful synergy of innovation and growth. Learning as a team fosters a culture of lifelong growth. With shared knowledge, possibilities are endless. Adaptability ensures survival. The more flexible your team, the better they'll handle change. Adaptable teams seize opportunities in uncertainty. Embracing change opens doors to new possibilities. Flexibility also helps teams remain resilient during rapid transitions. It inspires a future-focused mindset that thrives on innovation. Adaptable teams redefine challenges as gateways to success. Flexibility becomes the bridge to new horizons. Passion unites hearts. When your team shares a passion, their energy becomes contagious. Passion fuels purpose and creates synergy. A passionate team radiates enthusiasm and drive. Shared passion transforms ordinary tasks into meaningful achievements. It binds the team with an unshakable commitment to excellence. Passion inspires creativity and unstoppable determination. Together, passion turns work into a mission. Humility strengthens connections. No one has all the answers. Be open to learning from others. Humility fosters collaboration and mutual respect. Being humble invites growth and builds deeper bonds. It nurtures an environment where ideas are valued and everyone grows together. Humility reminds us that success is a shared journey. With humility, every voice is heard, and every idea matters. Gratitude builds loyalty. Appreciating team members keeps the spirit of collaboration alive. Gratitude motivates and strengthens bonds. Teams built on gratitude cultivate long-lasting commitment. Acts of gratitude inspire others to give their best. They weave loyalty into the very fabric of the team's identity. Gratitude nurtures a cycle of positivity and trust. It shows that appreciation is the key to lasting partnerships. The journey matters more than the destination. Enjoy the process of working together, and success will follow naturally. The shared experience becomes a treasure in itself. A meaningful journey builds stronger, more fulfilled teams. The memories of the journey become a foundation for future success. They inspire continuous exploration and collaboration. The journey reminds us to cherish every step of progress. Together, teams celebrate the beauty of the process. These motivations remind us that teamwork isn't just about the result. It's about how we get there. Collaboration brings out the best in everyone, turning individual strengths into collective success. Whether you're building a family, a business, or a dream, teamwork is the engine that makes it all possible. Which of these motivations resonated with you the most? Share it in the comments. And if you're ready to dive deeper into building stronger teams, check out our next video, where we uncover how small daily habits can transform team dynamics. Just click here to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of dreamers and doers. Thank you for watching.